Hi everyone, my name is Mike from Toption Instrument. Today I will give you an explanation of molecular distillation. This is our complete set of equipment, vacuum pump and temperature control. Stainless steel storage tank, durable corrosive, resistant, excellent thermal conductivity for high processing rates. Material feeds to the evaporation tower through gear pumping. Main evaporator with built-in condenser, three-layer insulation design. The scraper in the evaporation tower rotates quickly to allow the material to form a thin film. The material liquid volatilizes under high vacuum and heating conditions. The molecular free path of light components is larger and is captured by the inner condenser, and the molecular free path of heavy components is smaller and falls back to the wall of the evaporation tower. Coil trap, protecting the vacuum pump system, effectively collect ultra-light components. Connect the high vacuum molecular pump. Heating cooling circulator, precise temperature control system. This is our short-range molecular distillation. Welcome to watch.